Okay, welcome back. I am going to show you today another Christmas decoration tip and a tutorial that I have done using pretty basic materials, and it looks pretty cool. So let me show you what we're working with first. Okay, these are Christmas trees that I've made outdoors. Hard to tell during the light, but I will show you night ones. If you've seen some of my other vlogs, I do a haunted house every year, an extensive haunted house that's was on the news actually this year. Well, I had these poles that are supports to the haunted house. They keep the haunted house up, and I had put them away for the year, and then I thought that I might be able to make something out of them for the holiday season, and sure enough, these stake in the ground. I am going to link, these are just Amazon. I'm going to link in the description what they are, and then from that point you're going to see, I'm going to show you all the materials. I'll link all the materials in the description, but then you just take some everyday incandescent lights or LED lights and a measuring stick of some sort, or measuring tape, a hammer, some ground stakes, and you can make this, and I will show you what it looks like at night. It looks really beautiful. Okay, so let me show you the supplies that we're going to use for this. Very, very, very easy. These are all gettable on Amazon. You're going to use staples, link in the description. These are ground staples, hammer, a tape measure, lights, and these are the ground stakes that I still have extras of, but ordered some more. These are about $20 for two, and you'll see that they separate out. So these are all interchangeable. You can make them whatever height you want. I think it's like 10 or 12 feet, 10 or 11 feet I think is the maximum. So the good thing about that with these trees is that you can really make whatever size tree you want to make. So this one that I'm going to make right now, I'm going to place here, and I'm going to make this is about a 7-foot tree. These stake right into the ground. So you just stick them right into the ground, and there you go. You've got your Christmas tree base. Essentially, you are going to take the tape measure. You're going to take a ground stake. You're going to find where you want to start your lights. So at the very first light, you're going to find 16 inches, and you're going to tack that. You're going to tack that in. Make sure it's tight. You want everything to be really tight. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come 1 foot. That's how I do it. You can do it however you want. But I'm going to come 1 foot from the last one, and then I am going to come 16 inches from that. Grab a ground stake, pull your wire and stick it in that spot. Once again, hit a rock or something. If you hit a rock or something, make sure that you are tapping it in hard. You want these to be tight, all of them tight. Okay, so from that point, we're going to go up and down. So we're going to go around here, we're going to hook it, we're going to pull it tight, and then we're going to come down, and then the place where we're coming down is going to be 1 foot from the last one, which is here, and then 16 inches from the base, which is here. It's really hard to estimate these things, but 1 foot, 16 inches, measure twice, cut once. So there we go. Right there. That's it. So we're going to come down. We're going to put our stake right where that point is. Keep it tight, taut, and then we're going to go around it. Okay, and here's our final product. You ready to see this? We've got it in 2 different places. Let me show you. Okay, so you can see here I've added some more different sizes. I threw some Walmart deers in there. Deer in there. And that's this side. So I've got 4 different ones. That back one I had 2 different color lights, so I had to make do. But that's the effect for this one. Let me show you the other side. Okay, and here's side number 2. You've got 4 different sizes. You've got your deer that we've had for about 10 years. And the 2 in the back, the 2 taller ones, change all different colors. And then the 2 in the front, one of which is that's the 2 foot from the base diameter, and that's the other 3 are the 1.5 foot. But that's it. That's the whole effect. Alright, so we're at the end. We're going to come over, and there you have it. So I'm gonna go plug that in. But if you're wondering what we do with all this extra, this extra lighting, the reason I get so much is because I do 2 at a time. So let me plug this in and show you what it's gonna look like. I will show you at night too, but that's it. That's all there is to it. So let me plug it in.